How to get 50 qualified cash buyers in your CRM this month in 4 easy steps. That's right, I'm gonna give to you my gauntlet strategy on how to find a ton of cash buyers in the quickest amount of time so you can get wholesaling real estate deals sold as soon as possible. So if you wanna go get your deals dispoed really quick, these are gonna be 4 simple ways to do it. Let's cut the fluff and let's get straight into things. Step 1, and this is gonna be one you've probably heard before, but scrape Facebook groups. I cannot stress this enough. Facebook has so many cash buyers, and you probably don't know, but Facebook has pretty much every single cash buyer imaginable that is interested in buying houses. The truth is, these real estate investing Facebook groups aren't just shams with a bunch of wholesalers in them. There's a ton of qualified cash buyers looking to buy their deals strictly from Facebook. They don't deal with realtors, they're looking to meet with wholesalers, and it's a match made in heaven. The best way to find cash buyers like this is gonna be by geographic area. So if you live in Cincinnati, Ohio, go to the Southwest Ohio Real Estate Investors Group and just go to a little search bar and search cash buyer or search rentals or house flipping, and you're gonna find people claiming to be house flippers. People are claiming that they're looking to rent out property. And all you have to do here is simply slide in the DMs. I'm not even kidding here. All you gotta do is just DM these people, message them, say, hey, it looks like I saw on a previous post that you were looking to buy some houses for cash and you're actually a cash buyer. I'm actually a wholesaler and I get a ton of deals locked up in the area. I was seeing if you were looking to buy some of my deals. Simple as that. Get their phone number, get on the phone with them, have a relationship and a real conversation, and then boom. You will easily go out here and sell your wholesaling deals. I cannot stress this enough. If you just spend an hour or 2 hours on the weekend just messaging cash buyers, you're gonna get your wholesaling real estate deals sold and you're gonna have no problem with your dispo. It's what I do throughout the country to find a bunch of buyers, and it works really stinking well. Step 2 here, and this is actually a really common strategy, but just going and cold calling the cash sales is going to get you so many wholesaling real estate deals, it's disgusting. So like step 2 here, go to PropStream, ListREI.com, go to ZachData.com, aka Batch, or DMZach.com, and just go to the search bar where it says cash buyers or cash sales. What you're gonna do is find the very definition of what a cash buyer is. That is right, these softwares are scraping people who are purchasing property for cash. So in the very essence, they are cash buyers. And what they are gonna do with that software is you're gonna get a list of these people and get their phone number, call them up and say, hey, I recently saw you bought 123 Main Avenue for cash. I'm seeing if you're looking to buy any more houses for cash. If they're a cash buyer and they are looking to buy some more rentals or fix and flips, they're gonna tell you, these people wanna work with cash buyers. I think this is a really important rule here in wholesaling real estate. A lot of wholesalers don't understand, but these cash buyers are motivated too. And if they're looking to buy some deals, they're gonna tell you they're looking to buy some deals. You don't have to force it down their throat that you have a wholesaling deal. They're gonna wanna organically buy it from you, and boom, you get it sold, you make the money, they pay your assignment fee, then they can make the money on their rental or fix and flip or any opportunity from there. Go to the cash sales, call these people up, and go from there. There's plenty of strategies on how to skip trace them. You know, I like True People Search, so background checks on a paid skip tracing platform. I like DMZach.com. Kind of in there, like heck, even on DMZach.com, you can pull the cash sales, have the phone number pop up right there, and just click and call and boom, get it done as soon as possible. Now, also part of step 2 is cold calling the for rent section. Now, most people buying houses for cash are usually gonna fix and flip them, but another section of these type of cash buyers that we love using are gonna be the for rent section. So just go to Zillow, go to the for rents, and call these people up. Now, some of these are gonna be property management companies and realtors, and we don't deal with them. We actually wanna deal with landlords who are listing their own property for rent. A lot of them are a little cheaper, they like getting good deals, and they're gonna be people we can reach out to. Here is my simple cold calling script for it right here. Call them up and say, hey, is this the owner of 123 Marion Avenue? This is the owner of 123 Marion Avenue. Who is this? Well, hey, this is Zach. I'm calling on your for rent ad here. Oh, great. Are you looking to rent out the property? No, I'm actually not looking to rent out the property. I'm actually a local wholesaler and I get deals under contract all the time in that zip code. I was thinking you're looking to buy any more rentals in the area. I actually was looking to buy some more rentals in the area and I got all this cash because I'm a rich landlord. And boom, we can get their information, add them on our CRM, and then boom, we have someone we can send our wholesaling deals to that will pay for them and get us some wholesaling assignment fees done. I truly believe a lot of wholesalers out here really overcomplicate the process of finding buyers. Most buyers, again, I'm gonna say this a lot, They're looking to buy real estate deals to either fix and flip it to make money or rent the property out to make money. And this is what this business is all about. Now, if we go to step 3 here, which are the auctions, we just go to a local property auction. That's right, the tax auctions if they're in person, some are private auctions, they're foreclosure auctions. Now, maybe in your city or county, the auctions are done online, which is kind of unfortunate, but there are still pretty much in every single county or city in the United States, public auctions, which are gonna be properties are gonna be auctioned off and people still bid it in person. Heck, you can look up like property auctions in my area and someone's most likely posting this on Facebook. This is kind of like step 1. It's all going down on Facebook. And just go to the auction, look at the people who are actually bidding that actually want to buy the property, and then say, hey, I'm a wholesaler looking to buy any more houses besides this one. Add them to your list. It's in person, exchange the phone number quickly, and boom, you got another deal done. Take my word here. It is as simple as that. Also on top of this, you can look at previous auctions and see who actually won those auctions and who actually bought the house and call those people up, which are basically cash sales at this point, but see if those people are looking to buy any more houses for cash too. Number 4 here, and this is a really good one, but just reaching out to cash buyer realtors. I'm not kidding you here. The last secret that really nobody talks about in this business is the power of realtors. That is right. Realtors can actually talk to their own cash buyers. They actually have their own cash buyers because the average person, if they're looking to buy a house for cash, especially for an investment, they're not used to the whole real estate process, but they got some money, they're gonna be calling a realtor, which means they're on their list. So go to like a software, any of the ones I said, dmzack.com, zackdata.com, listrei.com, find the cash sales that were on the MLS, look at the buyer's agent and call those buyers. Usually if one buyer is a specialist in finding houses that are ugly and getting discounts for their clients who are buying for cash, they probably understand wholesaling enough and you can add them to your list and sell your wholesaling deals to them. The realtors seem cool because they got a secret pocket listing or an off-market deal that they give to them that makes the realtor look great. And also the kicker here is, let's use a $100,000 house, for example. The average realtor, when they go buy a house, right, as a buyer's agent, they get 3% of that. So 3% of a $100,000 house is $3,000, which, okay, that's okay. But you can technically go to a realtor here, sell your deal, let's say for $130,000 and say, hey, Mr. Realtor, I'll give you $10,000, not $3,000, $10,000 for finding me a buyer. Now 130 seems insane, but think about this. You're getting an extra 30 grand by giving the realtor an extra 70. So really you're netting an extra $23,000 on the deal by paying the realtor an extra 7 grand. And most realtors, just saying this, don't be mad at me, but they're greedy. And because they're greedy, you can kind of use their greed to your advantage. They're gonna tell the buyer this is a great deal and all these things and sell them. At the end of the day, only care about their commission. And I know I'm saying that in a mean way, and yes, a lot of them have morals and ethics and all these great things and fiduciary responsibility, but at the end of the day, number 1 priority is gonna be how much in commissions they can make. So this is why it's really important that we actually find these cash buyer realtors, add them to our list so we can wholesale the deal with them. You can add 12 cash buyers in any of these 4 steps and you can get a great real estate wholesaling deal sold with these great buyers. So hopefully after this video, you don't have any excuse of why you can't find a cash buyer and why you're struggling to get a deal done, because really it's not that complicated. If you guys want to learn more exactly my dispositions process and how I get deals sold, just go to my free real estate wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com, and I'll see you soon. This is Zack Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.